Hello there, I am Chef Laura Bonicelli, and welcome to Bonicelli Cooking Club. I created Bonicelli Cooking Club for home cooks that want to up their cooking game. I saw a need because people's lives are getting nothing but busier and more complicated. So family meals, family traditions, healthful resources are more critical than ever, but often left behind. As a professional chef, I know that the skills I use in a scratch commercial kitchen are the answer for home cooks to be calm, organized, confident, and inspired. There are many cooking resources available out there scattered across the internet, and some of them are good and some of them are just not. So what I've created is a vetted resource, a home for everything you need in one place. All of the techniques you need, all of the no-fail recipes, and all of the interaction and community you may not need all of the time, but there for you when you do. That is Bonicelli Cooking Club. Now, how do we deliver all of this? There are quick access solutions in the club, like a searchable recipe library of all of my recipes and a personal recipe box for you to put them in. I write members a weekly menu and holiday menus so that you can have recipes and inspiration at your fingertips. We also have a quick win how-to video library of single cooking techniques like how to hard-boil an egg that you can actually peel, and we recently created a wonderful spice library. But the base of the club is hundreds of lessons, recipes, video tutorials, and guides, and that base is always growing. We also do live events and webinars where we talk to farmers and producers, teach you how to sharpen your knives, feed your sourdough starter, have a conversation about wine. Those are examples. And of course, I do a lot of cooking and baking, highlighting and showing you what's important in each recipe, giving you lots of background and many tips and tricks to help you be successful in your cooking. So then the question is this for you? I can tell you that we have an impressive variety of members, and I've helped them personally create their own journey within the club. We have very accomplished cooks diving into new recipes and techniques. We have newly retired husbands and fathers cooking and baking with their wives and children, and sometimes for their wives and children. We even have people that are totally new to cooking, getting their basic skills together and then jumping into recipes that they would never have thought they could make without being in the club. We even have people who really didn't love cooking at all. They had to though, and now they do love cooking. So what was drudgery is now easy and fun. You can participate in Bonicelli Cooking Club any way you want to, whether it's daily, weekly, or even do a monthly deep dive into content. Watch what's new and what interests you, grab your recipes, and come back later. So please join us. Find your inner chef and up your cooking game with the Bonicelli Cooking Club. There's a button right here, and in fact there are buttons all over this page to sign up, and I hope to see you in the club. Take care.